exciting news. I got the big bore kit in today from a company, SKS Parts. I'll have the link in the description and probably in the comment section pinned. Awesome company. They're in Indonesia, but the awesome part is they sell these big bore kits for this motor in the 2019 Beta 125 RRS. And also previous betas that use this motor for the 125, which I think has been all of them. It's a Yamaha engine designed, and it's produced in Italy, I believe, and it's a very popular engine. So Yamaha sells a big bore kit, 150cc. This is probably the most reliable one that will fit on the bike, and you'll have no problems. So I went this route. I heard it really changes the bike and actually makes it a lot more rideable. This company, SKS, actually hooked me up and gave me a discount, which is unusual for somebody outside the US to do that. So huge props to them for doing that. It really helped out. They probably don't make much on this kit, but even if I were paid their prices, I think it would have been roughly 200 bucks, maybe slightly more with shipping, to get it to the US. That is nothing for a Yamaha kit. I got this, and I have a stage 1 cam also, I believe, is in here. So here's the cam timing. So some stuff. We got a gasket, and there's the part number. So you just want to try to look up the part numbers, and you can see down here, Yamaha in Indonesia motor manufacturing, Jakarta. That's pretty cool. These engines are so common that there's big bore kits, and they're cheap. Because obviously somebody in Indonesia is not going to spend a lot of money on a big bore kit. There we go. Another part number. And I'll list these part numbers in the video description too. So I'm guessing this is the cam. Yep, that's the cam right there. Be careful not drop that. That little thing. So they sell this for like $55, which is, imagine in the US what they would charge for something like this, probably. Cheap. All the other stuff you need, all Yamaha. All the stuff. And like I said, I'll list all these part numbers just in case you can source these, possibly in the US. I bet you the prices are going to be more. Oh, this is the piston. Oh, we got to take a look at the piston. That's a 150cc. Can you believe that's the piston? Yamaha, made in Indonesia, but it's Yamaha, so man, that thing is so cute. That is awesome. So small. That is not like the Honda 650R over there, XR 650R, which is like a huge thing. And this is 150. Man, that 125 must be really dinky. And here we go. This is... There we go. Could this be called the jug? Oh my god. Look at that. Just amazing. You can buy this for so little. So awesome that they hooked me up with a discount to what they already have as a very great price. So definitely check these people out. I PayPal'd them. They could have just ran away with the money. Nope. They actually followed through and delivered. And it came today, DHL. So it took about a week, I believe. And it was delivered sooner than it was supposed to. Today is Monday. It's supposed to be delivered on Friday. So it came through a lot sooner. I'm guessing that long estimation was due to customs, because it was security checked because it came from Indonesia. So they actually opened this up and took a look at what was inside to probably make sure it was legitimately parts. So there you have it. We'll be putting that on the bike, and I will be bringing you a video of how to do that and what you need to do and all that good stuff for that aspect. But this is just a little unboxing. Take care, and check out the description for the link to SKS parts, and look up, and if you have a Beta 125, it uses the Yamaha engine, like the WR125X, I believe, and I'll list that there, and you can just look it up. And they have kits all the way up to 200cc, but the problem with that is the water jacket doesn't necessarily line up, and you won't get a good seal. But you can possibly go up to at least a 182, because Beta sells an Athena kit that does a 182. So they must figure you can at least go up that high. And this is all you should need. Some people talk about you might need a cam chain tensioner from a TTR 110, I believe. That fits sort of, and you kind of, I guess, I'll Dremel out the jug just slightly, and it will fit, and then that will take care of some problems. But I don't know if with the 150cc kit here that you're going to need to do any of that. I think it pretty much bolts right in and you're good to go. So hey, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, check out the links in the description, and yeah, check out SKS parts, because awesome, they came through in cheap prices. So go to them for your big bore kit needs on the Beta 125 RRS. Have a good one. Bye.